West Coast.
Get it poppin'. Get it poppin'. Get it poppin'. Get it poppin'. Now get it poppin'.
Hey you guys, this is Jelly Ranger and we're taking the drift break here at Huntington Beach at the Auto Gallery Car Show. It's a beautiful day today and there's a lot of people coming in. Let's go check it out.
Poppin'. Now get poppin', poppin', pop. Get it poppin'. Now get poppin', poppin', pop. Get it poppin'. Now give me the box, give me the box.
I myself am a practice playgirl and I'll be judging the Miss Auto Gallery pageant today. So let's see what's going on.
Give me that momo wet, give me that crystal style. Give me that momo wet, give me that crystal style. Give me that.
So you get a set of wheels today, VIP modular, from 16 inch to 22 inch, any finish except for gold plated.
Our first annual car show. We have imports, a couple domestics, exotics. There's a couple cars here that have the only body kit or the only set of wheels in the United States.
Like a blizzard, when we drink we do it right, getting slizzard, sipping scissor in my ride, like 3-6, now I'm feeling so fun, like a G6.
What's up guys, it's Pat Mordon. Behind me as you see is the Apexy Lexus SC430 that I drive in Formula Drift. It has a built stroke 1UZ motor in it with 3 UZ heads and is twin turboed. So it's currently making about 700 horsepower with about 680 foot-pounds to spin those wonderful Yokohama tires. I couldn't be happier with that.
Hey guys, it's Christy Lejuan. I've got these lovely S chassis behind me. My favorite cars here, I gotta say. Hands down.
We're Richard and Randy from LA, hanging out with FX Auto. We brought our S13s out to hang out and represent rear-wheel drive out here. My S chassis is 180SX Type X. My brother is going with the Cell 80 style SR20, also black top. He's got the R33 Midnight Purple paint. And I went with the 40th anniversary 370Z Graphite Gray. Just keeping it JDM.
We're wrapping up here. Hope you guys enjoyed the drift break. Congratulations to Amy Ames, winner of the Miss Auto Gallery pageant. I hope you guys had a great time.
I'm Antonio Alvindia from Motor Mavens. I want some of you girls to dance around this pole.
Alright, I'll get this one.
Main shout out to our boy Glenn at Upgrade Motoring, FX Auto of course, Premier Auto Body, the 818, and of course the Bulletproof Illuminati, Ben at Bulletproof Auto.
So thanks to Glenn, Ben, Teddy at FX, Edson, and to all the boys that come out and hang out with us.
I want to give a shout out to Boso, Garage Boso, 808, what's up? Get Nuts Lab. I think S13s are the shit because I have one and mine is a S13.5.